Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the Crew. I am Rebecca and today is Tuesday, which means it's time to see what's new and what's been restocked at the Dollar Tree. This will be for September the 26th, 2023. So let's go shopping and see what is new this week at the Dollar Tree. We'll start with the apparel and the accessories first. This video is a little bit shorter this week. Just not a whole lot new, but they are starting to get in some Christmas items, which we'll see soon. They've got their juncture infinity scarves restocked. I saw a few more in the box that hopefully I'll be able to show on Friday when I go back out to take pictures later this week. They've got the juncture thermal boot socks for men, shoe size 6 to 9. They have the red with the black. They also have a two-tone gray. You can get the brown with the black. And they also have blue with a gray undertone. I found some of the ironwear boonie hats. They had the vest as well. They're 100% polyester, orange hat and vest with the silver reflective tape. They have these in large, extra large, and then the vest, they had those in medium, large, and extra large. These cosmetic bags in the white and black with the gold polka dots also have a gold zipper with a gold tassel at the top. They had these out like a year or so ago and they just brought them out. They're like a faux leather. The arts and crafts, they brought back their ink pads. They have them in red, blue, and green. It's been quite a while since I've seen ink pads at the Dollar Tree, so I was really happy to see that they brought them back. And then we've got this new packet of vellum paper. You get 6 sheets of paper and they're like an 8x8. They're not real big, but you've got the butterflies or the black stripes here with the gold hearts. I also found their domes restocked, which they usually do close to Christmas craft time. And we've got the Play-Doh art activity glitter glue. Lots of DIY wood pieces like the mushrooms. There's 2 different packs of those. They've got the hanging wood sign with the frame and the 3-pack of DIY wood dice. We've also got the 10-pack of the natural wooden beads on the wire frame and the hexagons that are about 10 inches in size. The charcuterie boards, those have been restocked, and they've also got the small plaques. We've got the hexagon. There is also a house shape and the miniature cutting board, and these are all about an inch thick, and they usually carry those in those boxes that sit on the shelf underneath of the DIY products. Lots of the foam mushrooms and some new plastic square wreath shapes. We've also got these giant coloring posters that are over 3 feet wide. They had the Hot Wheels and Barbie posters, and then with the 3-foot poster, you get a bunch of little posters as well to color. Then there are the Crafters square rolls of fabric. There's lots of patterns and designs, some with like different pictures and things on them, lots of stripes, paisleys, and plaids. There's the Crafters square bracelet and necklace findings. They have them in gold and in silver. All the different pieces are separated in 4 different little cubes there. For the baby and toddler items, they brought back the Boo Boo I Love You book, which is so cute for Halloween. We saw this about a month ago. It's got this little stuffed hat at the top, and all the characters in the book are wearing the hat. It's really cute. We've also got these foam pieces for bath time, and they've got like the Doc McStuffins. They had Coco Melon, Disney, and Paw Patrol. You get about 6 pieces of a thick foam that will stick to the side of the tub or whatnot, and you can take it right off when the water dries. They just pop right off the side, won't do any harm to your tub. The health and beauty, we'll start with the cosmetics first. They had these new LA Colors Lip and Eye Studio, which had a lot of the natural colors and a little bit darker like mauves and burgundy lip color. They've got the matte lips and the lipstick. For the lip gloss, they have like a velvet mousse, it's called. You can see the darker burgundy colors here for fall. And then we've got the lip crayons. It says twist and apply. So we've got the more nude shades and then the fall shades. The auto eyeliner. They had a pink and blue, which was new. They've also got the metallic liners in purple, gold, rose gold, and blue. They also have black and brown. And then for the hair care items, they had these scrunchies, which I thought were really cute. They're like a folded over material with an elastic in the center. It has a snakeskin kind of appearance to it. They had them in blue and in white. So it creates like this double ruffle the way it's sewn together. Then they had a bunch of these claw clips that were metal. They're actually quite heavy. They had The silver and the gold, so each one you see here will come in the same pattern in the silver and in the gold. So those are super popular right now, that style. We've got these bobby pin hair clips with the pearls. You either get the all white or the white with the pink. And then the bobby pin on the back is gold. The pharmacy and personal care items, we've got this green tea infused pumice stone by Be Pure. And then they had these Tag deodorizing face and body wipes. You get 15 in the packet. The Yardley soap, it's a moisturizing soap. We've got the English lavender with lavender essential oil in the 14 fluid ounce bottle. The berry blossom with orange essential oil. Lemon verbena with the orange essential oil as well. And then the body butters by Bolero. We've got the tropical hibiscus, cool mint, fresh watermelon, and cactus pear. Now for the fun finds, they have these driver's choice dot projector lights to put in the car. It plugs into a USB port and it creates different patterns of light inside of the car. They also have the handheld bag sealers with the magnetic strip. You do need batteries for it, but they come in a couple different colors. Also the gunk getters, the blue kind of like slime to help you get your car clean and the little nooks, crannies, and the vents. And now for home decor. We've got these metal tins, which I think are so cute. They've got the rose gold, the gold, and the silver. They had these out a few months ago. They just brought them back. They had them out last year, also around Christmas time. I think they're really fun. They make really great candle holders to pour wax into, or you can get these mason jar candles with the fall scent, Christmas scent. We've got gingerbread. They also have the pear nutmeg 3-ounce soy candle, which is like a light yellow color. They also had this one, which smells really good. It's the bourbon barrel pumpkin, and it's like a spiced orange color. And then this light tan is the golden apple cider, which smells really good. They also had those small tea light candles back in that look like the little pumpkins. They have the leaves, and then by the Halloween items, they also had some that were skulls. And I forgot to take a picture of the skulls. There's the fall leaves. Now, these are the dried flowers that they have out in these bags. They got the red with a little bit of greenery at the bottom, and then one pack has just the solid red dried flowers, and they're about 18 inches long in each bundle. The home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section, we've got the Toy Story Disney Pixar book. It's kind of like a comic book. So they had Space Adventure, the Disney Encanto, Antonio's Amazing Gift, also kind of like a comic book. So is Tiana's Big City Sound. And then they had one more. It was the Little Tykes book, and that was the Jumping to the Rescue with Friends. Then I found these magnifying sheets, which are really nice. They magnify 3 times to make the page larger. The pocket fill-in word search books, they had the fill-ins and the number fill-ins. You get 100 puzzles, and that is volume 4. For housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization, they have these small snack containers that you can store. It's a candy jar with the lid. I like to store like craft items in them, like sequins and buttons and things. They have the blue jars back in, and the mini screwdriver and tape measure. We've also got the tea light candles and the glitter. There's the gold, the silver, and the red, and it has a flickering effect style light for the light there. It's not just solid on it. It has a flickering type effect. We have these LED emergency candles that you need batteries for. You can also get the larger tapier candle, also needs batteries, and then they brought back all of these baskets. The kitchen and pantry items, we have a bunch of new snacks and name brand items. We've got the Wallaby soft and chewy blueberry pomegranate licorice. There's also the lemonade flavor, the green apple, and then the pink bag here, we've got watermelon, and then they have the original flavor, which is in the red bag, and that is the strawberry flavor. They have the Werther's Original Pumpkin Spice Soft Caramels and the Caramel Apple Caramels. the 4-pack of the mixed fruit and the blackberry gel, or you can get the peaches and the strawberry gel. They had some post-brand instant oatmeal. There was the Fruity Pebbles and Cocoa Pebbles. You get 6 packets, the full-size box of the Corn Chex cereal, and the General Mills Hot Wheels cereal. They also have these new Kraft Mayo Buffalo style dressing. Just saw these at Walmart this week. It's the same size bottle, and they're like $3 or $4 at Walmart. We've got the coating mixes and the 50 count of liners for the air fryer. Now these are on those plastic strips over by the dishes in mason jars. I also found some more pieces that go with this dish set. They've got a floor mat and the placemats. The silicone utensils for the kitchen with the bamboo handles. And now for the party supplies. There's the 8 count write-in invitational kit. It has the envelopes with the cards. They have 2 different bridal shower invitation kits. We've got the one with the umbrella and the white background with the pink dress. I also found some more of the Wilton Color Mist food color spray in the red and the green. And these gift boxes with the glitter lid and the stripes on the side. They had the butterfly with the blue and yellow, kind of like mosaic or mandala pattern on the side there. And then the confetti with the glitter present on the lid. Some new gift bags. I love this one with the crackled wood look. It says blessed. It has these really beautiful flowers and some buffalo plaid at the top and bottom. It would look really pretty framed almost. They have some that have like the larger size gift bags, a bunch of the photo frames for picture taking. They had a whole bunch of packets of these. And then I found some more of these bridal shower banners at 2 more stores this week. There's the sizing there. They're in that light blue with the flowers. And now for the seasonal items, just a few new things. They have a bunch of their costume items like the hair pieces on the headband. You can get purple, the blonde. They also had pink. And then the blue and green. So it has like a braid on the headband and then the long hair in the back. They have these felt masks with the paws. You've got the lion. Went to 2 little paws. It has elastic that they can wear around their wrists. We've got the cat. And there's the dress-up kit with the cheetah. There's the mask portion and then the little paws. They have a fox. Here's the paws for that one. And then a tiger. And the next one we have is the raccoon. There's the paws for that one. They have some more of the flour sack towels. They have the Eat Ham with the turkey on the front. Pie's the limit. Happy Fall Y'all with the fall leaves. And the Hello Gorgeous. I also had some more of the pot holders with the fall theme. They've got the matching towels. And then the tapestry style placemat to say give thanks. These Halloween or fall storage containers. We've got the pumpkins and the leaves, which match the dish sets that they have out this year. And then they have the reusable Ziploc bags with the pumpkins and the fall leaves to coordinate. There's also the pool noodles in the orange and purple. And then they have these really pretty buckets or planters. They're in this gorgeous orange color with the give thanks and harvest blessing, or you can get the galvanized bucket that says harvest blessings and the brushed metal look. Really pretty. There's a comparison between the smaller buckets that they usually have. We've got the wood planks with the pumpkin cutout in the top. And then these door knockers, we've got the leaves wrapped in twine at the top. It has this really cute belt, looks like an acorn, and then a pine cone on some twine. You either get the green or the brown. And then for the toys, games, and entertainment, we have these new Uno cards. It's called Wild Twists. The standard deck. And that is by Uno. They also have these small balls for little kids with the Sesame Street characters on them. And then some Crayola sun catchers. We've got the parrot, the astronaut, and the unicorn. Those all come with 4 paints and the paintbrush and the hanger. Now for the Dollar Tree Plus items, which are the $3 and $5 items. They have some more of these slippers in. Those are $5. They have them in a couple different sizes, not just the 7, 8. Then there's the 10-pack of the multicolor no-show socks. Those are $3 for 10 pair. They're kind of thin, but they hold up well in the wash. They don't shrink. I actually own some of these. They also have the packet that is the gray, white, and black. And then the large bouncy balls that look like animals. These are so cute. This is the koala bear. Then they have the large plushies. There's the dinosaur, and they brought back the turtle. And these feel like Squishmallows. They're like those ultra soft squishies. They also have the 24-inch stacking pumpkins. They had a few boxes of these at a couple of the stores that I was at. So they're just selling really popular this year. And then the $5 tumblers and the multicolors. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Have a great week, and I'll see you back here on Friday.